नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है सभी लोगों का हमारे YouTube चैनल एग्जाम मैनिक्स पे यूनिट ऑफ IBOP एकेडमी लाइव फ्रॉम मुंबई। दिस इज प्रोफेसर रवि रंजन सर हियर ब्रिंग यू अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज, very good news that Indian Bank has provided the recruitment facility, that recruitment of 171 वैकेंसीज 171 वैकेंसीज का फिर से हमारे पास आ गया है। इंडियन बैंक, जो भी स्टूडेंट बैंकिंग सेक्टर में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं उन लोगों के लिए एक बार फिर से बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी आ चुका है। 171 स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर का ये वैकेंसीज है। जो लोग भी एक्सपीरियंस्ड कैंडिडेट्स एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड प्रोफेशनल्स, जो भी लोग अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स में वर्क कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो आईटी में हो या मार्केटिंग में हो या किसी भी डिपार्टमेंट में हो, उनके लिए बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी आ चुका है। स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर का ये वैकेंसी है। और जो लोग भी फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहे हैं तो उसके लिए हम लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए एग्जाम मैनिक्स, और www.ibupacademy.com पे आप लॉगिन करके और भी डिटेल्स ले सकते हैं। तो चलिए आज स्टार्ट करते हैं। टोटल 171 वैकेंसीज है। अगर हम बात करें कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इसको कंडक्ट कराएगी, तो इंडियन बैंक कंडक्ट कराएगी। अगर हम बात करें एग्जाम, तो एग्जामिनेशन का नाम है स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर एग्जामिनेशन। ठीक है, 171 वैकेंसीज है। इसके अंदर रजिस्ट्रेशन डेट 23 सितंबर से स्टार्ट हो चुका है। 10 अक्टूबर इसका लास्ट डेट है। अगर हम बात करें एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन, तो अलग अलग पोस्ट के लिए अलग अलग एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन रहेगा। ठीक है, एज लिमिट भी हमारे पोस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करेगा, वो जो हम अभी बात करेंगे। ठीक है, तो चलिए बात करते हैं एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड। क्या एक्सपीरियंस की जरूरत पड़ेगी? यस ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपीरियंस की जरूरत हमें पड़ेगी। क्या एप्लीकेशन सैलरीज क्या है? तो सैलरीज भी हमारी पोस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग वेरी करेगा या चेंज करेगा। ठीक है, अगर हम बात करें एप्लीकेशन फीस की, अगर आप जनरल कैटेगरी या ओबीसी कैटेगरी से आते हैं तो 1000 रुपीज आपका एप्लीकेशन फीस है। अगर आप SC ST कैंडिडेट से कैटेगरी से आते हैं तो द एप्लीकेशन फीस विल बी 175 रुपीज ओनली। What will be the examination selection process? The selection process will be like there will be an online examination followed by interview. So those students who get shortlisted for online examination for the mains, and after that they will be shortlisted for the interview. So there will be a single examination and after that there will be interview. And what is the website from where you can apply? The website is indianbank.in, www.indianbank.in careers पेज पे जाके आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए आगे की बात समझते हैं हम लोग एक एक करके। So as I already discussed, what is the notification? That is, notification has been released on 23rd September. Application starts from 23rd September. Last date is to apply is 13th. Last date is to 13th October. Okay. So last date to edit the application is also 13th October, and the last date to print the application is 28th October. Let's have a look on the post and the number of vacancies accordingly. Right. So what is the post criteria? So what are the different posts which is available in this particular domain? In this post, so the chief manager for IT, that is 10 post is there. Total vacancies is 10 vacancies. Okay. If we'll talk about senior manager, the next post is senior manager. Total vacancies is 25. IT 20. Chief manager IT is 5. Senior manager IT is 15. Manager IT security, information security is 15. Corporate credit analyst is 15. Senior manager corporate credit analyst is 15. We'll talk about corporate credit analyst, then the total vacancies is 10. Financial analyst is 5. Financial analyst for the senior position is 5. Manager for the financial analyst is 4. Risk management is 4. Chief manager for IT risk management is 1. Senior manager for risk management is 7. Again, IT risk manager for senior manager positions is 1. Senior manager data analyst is 2. Manager risk management is 7. IT risk management is 1. Data analyst is 2. Company secretary, yes, a company secretary for the chief manager is required, that is 1. We'll talk about chartered accountant. 2 chartered accountants are required for this post as well. Okay. Only the next one is the chartered accountant. The manager post is again is 1. So a total of 171 vacancies is there. Let's move to the next part. Those who have joined recently, they can subscribe to the channel and tune with the videos that coming up. Will post the various recruitments in the coming period of time. Let's move to the next part. If we talk about the salary and the pay scale involvement, So if you start with the pay scale, scale number 2, the salary starts from 64,820. Means 60,000 plus is the salary scale which you get. If you start from the scale third, the salary will be 85,000. Okay, and for the scale 4, it is 1,02,300. So this is the scale. If you start from the experience, you have got experience, you have worked for various departments, you have got experience. So definitely these are the different skills which you can work in various domains, as I have already discussed before. ठीक है, तो आगे चलते हैं हम लोग. And then besides that, you will get a multiple things that a government job student aspirants used to get. That is dearness allowance, house rent allowance, medical aids, hospital benefits, and retirement benefits as well. चलिए तो आगे बात करते हैं हम लोग. चलिए नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं. तो what are the different type of posts that is there in this specialist officer domain? So what are the posts? If you talk about chief manager information technology, right? So the age criteria should be minimum 28 years, the maximum is 36 years. In case if you fall under the category, you have the age relaxation as per the requirement. But what the most important thing is that you need to have 8 years of experience in IT with 5 years in manager post in multiple departments like and different types of domains like project management. Moving to the next. Right, you can take the screenshots while you're going with the videos. Okay, आप लोग screenshot ले सकते हैं इसका. ठीक है, those student who has already qualified, who has got a Oracle certification, they fall under the age group of 25 years to 33 years, they can apply for the following post, but ensure the process that you need to have at least 5 years of experience with IT operations with 2 years as a manager scale. You can work with the project management, application development, and multiple related domains. Moving to the next part. So you need to understand about the clouds and all, automation, VMware, right? And I know that you have got those students who has got a Red Hat certification, they are also applicable to apply for this particular post. Okay, next is if we talk about manager IT. So those students who want to apply for the manager IT, that they must have the age range of 23 to 31 years, but ensure that you need to have an Oracle certified associate or Oracle certifications, but ensure that you need to have at least 3 years of experience in IT infrastructure management and application development and database administration and networking, right? Cyber security is also desirable in this particular domain, right? Let's move to the next part. If we'll talk about another post, what is another post? So this is the most preferable chief manager IT information security. Minimum the age range is 30 to 36 years, BE in BTech, and student who has completed the BE BTech in computer science or information technology, they are applicable and they can apply for this post. Those students who has done the Master of Computer Applications, MCA or MSc, Master of Sciences in Computer Science or IT or Cyber Security, they are eligible, but ensure that you need to have at least 10 years of experience in the relevant field. Moving to the next is Senior Manager in Information Technology. We have 3 different domains, that is Cyber Security, Operations, Incident Response Management, Application Security, and Cyber Risk Management. The educational qualification remains the same, that is BE, BTech, CSIT, MC, MSc Computer Science or BSc. But here we can see that the students who has done the Bachelor's of Computer Science, that is Bachelor of Sciences in Computer Science Department or IT Security, so they are also applicable. Minimum 5 years of experience is required for this particular post. So you need to have at least 5 years of experience post qualification. Okay, let's move to the next domain. चलिए हम लोग आगे देखते हैं नेक्स्ट पोस्ट के लिए हमारे पास कौन सा है. There are multiple fields. There are multiple posts. I have taken some of the important posts. Right. Next is manager in information technology. Right. Again, the education qualification remains the same. BE, BTech in computer science, MSc or MCA in computer science, BSc. The age criteria is 21 to 31 years. Minimum 3 years of experience, work experience is required as a cyber security analyst. Okay, or cyber security expert. Okay. So this is these are the some of the posts. There are more posts left. You can go with the detailed notification, right? So let's move to the next part. Now, if we talk about what are the job roles, so the job roles you can take the screenshot, right? What are the different? You have to go do the IT infrastructure work, IT strategies like clouds, right? IT budgets and multiple things, digital banking platforms you have to work, right? If you talk about senior manager information technology, you have to work with IT projects, IT risk assessments you have to do, and you have to guide and mentor the different junior IT staff, okay? That is in the Indian bank, okay? Moving to the next part is manager in information technology, as I already said, networking database system, that you have to take care of it. Chief manager, that is information technology, that is architectures you will have to design, okay? And the different type of processing and and ensure that the malicious activities or the networking issues that comes on day-to-day basis in the bank is supposed to be taken care of, okay? And ensure that there is not any sort of wormhole attacks or virus attacks, and important leakage information should not be leaked under any circumstances, okay? चलिए आगे बात करेंगे हम लोग इंसिडेंस रिस्पांस मैनेजमेंट, दैट इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी अगेंस्ट फोर्थ इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, ठीक है? इसके अंदर इंपॉर्टेंट रोल रहेगा हमारा the coordination is to be done with the different type of incident, different process management process, right? And the services, the design and development and collaboration with the different teams is to be taken care of. There are other different things that you can go with the things, you can take the screenshot so that you can take the entire scenario. Moving to the next is application security. This is one of the most important part of the department, that is that is testing. You have to do the testing phase very in depth, right? And the web applications that has been designed, that is to be taken care, right? Okay, web application, client application, and different type of risk management that you have to take care of all this, okay? Next, move to the next is agile environment, threat intelligence, that is also be taken care, okay? Cyber threats, as I already told you, the vulnerabilities, vulnerable attacks or any sort of attacks is to be taken care, and you need to protect the important data of the bank and ensure that the proper channel is taken care of, and the entire process and the data handling is done in the proper sequence, okay? From the lower level management to the higher level of management. Moving to the next part, okay? So manager in information security monitoring, here the design analysis is to be taken care. Design analysis हमें करना होगा यहाँ पर, ठीक है? उसके साथ साथ हमारे पास डिजाइन एनालिसिस के साथ हमारे जो डैशबोर्ड्स है, केपीआई है, ठीक है? नॉलेज प्रोसेस इंटरफेस and IT security, that is to be IT security. Again, every time the security is to be taken care, right? All the database is to be taken care, and the database is to be fetched from multiple banks, and so that no important data is leaked out under any circumstances. Moving to the next, and the different type of cycles and the channels are done properly, that is to be taken care. Moving to the next part, right? Let's move to the most important fact or most important way the student can get into this particular post. So what is the thing? That first thing is that English language. So there will be 20 questions and 20 marks. The mode of examination will be English. But we will talk about the another part, that is next division is professional knowledge. If you are coming from IT background, you have to apply for the, depending upon what type of course you have applied, the questions will be displayed on the basis of that. Okay, so a total of 60 questions will be given to you, and ensuring that each question consists of 2 marks, so the total marks is 120 marks. The questions will be displayed in the screen in English and Hindi both, okay? Next is reasoning, 40 questions will be there and 40 maximum marks will be there. English and Hindi will be the middle of examination. Quantitative aptitude, that is mathematics, 40 questions will be there. Each question will consist of 1 marks, and the question will be displayed in the screen in English and Hindi both, okay? So all together we will have 160 questions and maximum marks will be 220. Any students who scores more than 75% of the total question, they are eligible for the interview and they can get into the final merit list, okay? Chali, moving to the next part. And I should answer one more thing, that there is a negative marking. 1/4 is the negative marking, right? So for every one, if you do the incorrect one as a wrong answer, 0.25 marks will be deducted from your total marks, right? If you leave any questions, no marks will be deducted. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बात करते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है? So what is the application fees? As I've already told you that application fees is 175 for SC ST candidates and 1000 for all others, like including the OBC candidates as well as the general or you are unreserved category candidates. Okay, so as I said, that what is the application procedure? If you want to apply for this particular post, 171 post for the state specialist officer, you have to log in to www.indianbank.in. Okay, so from there you can apply for the officer skills. You will have to go with the careers page, and after that you can log in to the system, and after that you will have to put the details like educational qualifications. After that, the last you have to upload a photograph including the signature, and after that the payment is to be done, and once the payment is done, you are successfully registered with the examination and you can opt for the examination. Okay, so I hope it is the information. If you really like the video, so you can share it to your friends. This is the most important experience for experienced candidates. So those students जो लोगों को भी जॉब चाहिए इंडियन बैंक में, it's a really good part. Salary is also good. You can get a salary of approximately 1 lakh and above. ठीक है, तो आप लोग इस पोस्ट के लिए जरूर अप्लाई कीजिए, और in case if you have any doubts, you can put in the comment section. We'll get back to you, right? So you can log into the www our website, that is ibopacademy.com, and the channel is Exam Maniacs. There is multiple playlists in which the different subjects has been taught. Okay, thank you very much. This is Professor Ravi Ranjan sir signing off. Thank you and wish you all the best. Thank you.